Welcome to Amplify, the podcast CEO. Today we have Team Ekans from Graduate School of Business present with us. So, presenting to you the head boy of GSB, Devansh Wadhwani, the co-founder of Grovis Media and also a digital marketing specialist.
Thank you.
Aditya Soni, currently pursuing Bachelor's in Business Administration, also the Vibrancy head of GSB. Krishna Sharma, the PR head of GSB and also a business analytics specialist. Okay, so beginning with a very fine question, how was your first day at college?
Like, if I tell you about my experience, my first day was like literally entering into a new world. Like, when I first came to the college, it was like, किसको जानता ही नहीं हूँ. But on the very first day, I bonded with my seniors itself. So it was, very fun. क्योंकि उनका जो relationship होता है ना, it is some very खट्टा मीठा. I tell you why. क्योंकि उनसे डर भी लगता है, but मज़ा भी उन्हीं के साथ आता है. So the first days, it's literally like very खट्टा मीठा only to me.
I can completely agree to him. Like, first day is, very new to you. Like, you're excited, it's your first day of college, but at the same hand, you are very nervous. Like, what's gonna happen? Something is very new. How will I survive it? What's coming next? It's something, a different kind of feeling. We can say mixed feelings, which we have on the first day.
ये तो fun element हो गया. अब how has college helped you grow as a person?
So when we talk about growth, तो when you enter the college in first year, तो जब आप स्कूल से नए नए बाहर आके एक ऐसी जगह आते हो when you don't know anybody, तो एक kind of ऐसा होता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है लोगों को फेस करने का, वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं रहता, एक स्टेज फियर रहता है. तो when you start taking parts in the events, GSB में events मेन होते हैं, बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होते हैं. तो जब आप कंटिन्यूसली इवेंट्स में पार्ट लेते रहो, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फेसिंग पीपल, तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होता है. एक वो होता है कि एक स्टेज आ जाता है जब आप देयर इज नो स्टेज फियर. तो 3 साल में एक जर्नी होती है जहाँ आप बिल्ड करते हो अपना कॉन्फिडेंस.
Like when I first मेरे साथ क्या होता, I was literally having so much stage fear. I was having lack of confidence. मतलब मैं जब स्टेज पे जाके बोलता था ना, मेरी हार्ट बीट यहाँ पहुँच जाती सब मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन में. बट धीरे धीरे माई टीचर सपोर्टेड में कि तुम जाओ, तुम बोलो, तुम कविता ही बोल रहे हो ना, भले कविता बोल दो स्टेज पे पर बोलो. तो दैट बिल्डेड माई कॉन्फिडेंस एंड नाउ आई लिटरली teach my juniors how to do public speaking. So yeah, it's a very growth वाली journey काफी मेरी.
And I still remember, the Kavita thing. It was our first experience in College of Public Speaking. Like, we all were together that day, and that day we actually got to know what is stage fear exactly.
कॉलेज का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट क्या होता है?
Management Fest.
The Innovision. It is that time of, year where you modify yourself, not only the students but as well as the faculty. You have to put all your efforts, all your hard work just to win that one trophy.
तो बेसिकली फेस्ट इज समथिंग, 4 दिन का इवेंट होता है GSB में, वेयर इन दोज 4 days you get a lot of competitions, जो बेसिकली इनोवेशन आपको मैनेजमेंट सिखाता है, इनोवेशन आपको बिजनेस सिखाता है कि हाउ कैन यू सर्वाइव इन योर बिजनेस एंड हाउ कैन यू ग्रो इन योर बिजनेस. कॉलेज में ये इवेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आप जब रियल लाइफ में जाते हो तो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच यू विल फेस रियल लाइफ में. और उन 4 दिन में हर इवेंट, हर कंपटीशन, चाहे वो कोई भी फील्ड हो, हर फील्ड का एक कंपटीशन आता ही आता है.
What is exactly Mandi?
So basically Mandi is like a 2-day stall. Okay, the college provides us with a product. Okay, you are having this product. This time we are having the product of plants, and the stall name is Vriksh. So we are going to sell those plants to the people who are going to visit in the Management Fest.
वृक्ष, बीज से वृक्ष तक का सफर.
It's like, having your own startup for 2 days. You have to build it all together from scratch, and you have to take it to, the best max growth you can take it to.
Okay, so let's fast forward it to 5 years. Where do you see this business growing?
See, if I talk about myself, I see this business growing into the biggest nursery of Madhya Pradesh and also the biggest house plant consulting agency of India.
Great. Okay.
And I guess this idea is the best which we can do with plants, because all the development which has happened, this is our time to give it back.
Basically regeneration of plants.
Yeah. Okay, so it was great talking to you, interacting with you. Thank you for being there.
Thank you so much for having us.